Hey, this is a video of the Master Force wall hanging cabinet. I'm going to show you a little bit about it, how to put together. There's a couple videos on YouTube about it, not very much. This will be your bottom part, where it's got the nut inserts. This is how it comes. It folds out, and you put this top on. Like I said, you get these black screws. They give you these little black nuts. Here's your shelf clips. Here's your wall hanging studs. It gives you a rack right here. Oh. See, this goes like this. You can see it. See how it goes in? So once you get that hung on the wall, this will go, then that bottom will catch. Yeah. So that's your bottom. So if you ever get confused, the instruction manual is kind of wishy-washy a little bit. But see, this is how they give you two-door wall cabinet, whatnot, your miscellaneous here and there. This is what it looks like on the inside without the bottom on. The hinges. So yeah, if y'all decide to go to Menards, get one of these. If you got a Menards, I mean, it seems pretty well built. It's like 20 gauge metal is what it looks like. So yeah, so go over to Menards, check them out. I got this from a wood shop. So this is what the finished product looks like. Got different colors. So go check them out. See you on the next video.